Have you ever noticed something interesting when comparing celebrities in their 50s or 60s from different parts of the world? Many viewers often say that East Asian celebrities seem to age more slowly than their Western counterparts. Their skin often appears smoother, with fewer wrinkles and more even tone. But is this really true? Is it genetics, skincare routines, diet, or something deeper in our biology? Today we are going to explore the scientific reasons behind skin aging. Why Western populations often show signs of aging earlier than Eastern populations, and what you can do to maintain youthful skin at any age. It is a common observation that stars from East Asia often seem to maintain a more youthful look for longer compared to their Western counterparts of the very same age. Understanding how skin ages. There are concrete scientific reasons behind these perceived differences in aging. Some of these reasons are deeply rooted in our biology and genetic heritage. Others are a direct result of our environment, particularly our relationship with the sun and the daily lifestyle choices we make over many decades. We will carefully explore the fundamental science that explains these variations in skin aging and provide actionable advice to keep skin looking healthy and vibrant for as long as possible. By examining the science and cultural habits, we can appreciate the diversity of human aging and learn valuable lessons from different practices. The blueprint of aging, inside our skin. To understand why skin ages differently, we must first grasp how it ages at all. Skin aging is broadly divided into two categories. Intrinsic aging is the natural chronological process largely predetermined by our genes. It is an unavoidable aspect of getting older. Extrinsic aging is driven by external factors from the world around us. Sun exposure, air pollution, lifestyle choices such as smoking, and the food we consume. Experts estimate extrinsic aging accounts for most visible signs, deep wrinkles and dark spots. This matters because a significant portion of skin aging is within our control. Extrinsic aging explains why two people born the same year can look years apart. Within skin structure, several components underpin youthfulness.
Collagen, elastin, hyaluronic acid.
Section 3. The invisible scaffolding when collagen declines. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our skin, essential for structural integrity. Think of it as invisible scaffolding that keeps skin firm, taut, and smooth. In youth, this framework is strong and plentiful, giving fullness and resilience. Starting in our early 20s, collagen declines about 1 to 2% per year. Skin becomes thinner, less dense, and more fragile. It loses firmness and begins to sag under gravity. Wrinkles deepen as underlying support weakens. The greatest enemy of collagen is ultraviolet radiation. UV generates free radicals that damage fibers and disrupt new collagen production. That 1-2 punch, breakdown plus reduced synthesis, drives photoaging. The damage is cumulative. Unprotected days add up to earlier wrinkles and sagging. That is why sun protection is the most critical anti-aging step.
Preserving collagen is far more effective than rebuilding it later.
Protecting the scaffolding helps maintain youthful, healthy skin longer. The quench for youth, the vital role of moisture. Beyond collagen, hydration shapes appearance and health. Hyaluronic acid is the key player. This natural sugar can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, drawing and holding moisture. Hydrated skin looks plump, supple, and dewy from within. Moisture plumps spaces between cells, smoothing the surface and softening fine lines.
Hydrated skin reflects light evenly for a radiant complexion.
With age, HA production drops, moisture retention wanes, and skin looks drier, rougher, and duller. External stressors, dry air, wind, over-cleansing, worsen dehydration. Use humectants like hyaluronic acid to draw water in, and occlusives to lock it in and protect the barrier. Keeping skin well hydrated makes it look healthier, smoother, and more refreshed at any age. Hydration is fundamental to a youthful look. Another major factor that influences how old our skin appears is its pigmentation, or color. An even, uniform skin tone is widely associated with youth and health. Over time, pigment changes can lead to dark spots and an uneven complexion that reads as older. The primary driver is the sun. UV stimulates melanocytes to produce more melanin, the pigment that colors skin. A tan is skin's attempt at protection, but repeated exposure leaves lasting marks. Uneven overproduction forms sunspots, age spots, solar lentigines on the face, hands, shoulders, and arms. Uneven tone can make a person look older than wrinkles alone.
On lighter skin, spots stand out more starkly, making sun damage highly visible.
That is why diligent sun protection is critical, especially for fair complexions. Addressing pigmentation is as important as addressing wrinkles in any anti-aging plan. East versus West. Deeper reasons for different aging paths. Several biological and cultural factors help explain observed differences. Melanin, the pigment for skin color, also acts as natural sunscreen. It absorbs and scatters UV, providing some protection. Many East Asian skin types have higher melanin than lighter Caucasian skin, offering a better baseline defense. With more defense, lifetime photoaging can be less severe. This slows collagen and elastin degradation, delaying deep wrinkles and loss of firmness. Some studies suggest East Asian skin may have a slightly thicker dermis and more densely packed collagen.
A more compact dermis can resist sagging and deep wrinkle formation.
Culturally, sun avoidance behaviors, umbrellas, hats, daily SPF, are common. In the West, a tanned look long symbolized leisure and health, increasing lifetime UV exposure. Biology and culture together shape different visible aging paths. When lifestyle writes on our skin, celebrity case studies. Examining celebrities of a similar age illustrates genetics, lifestyle, and skincare. Consider two hypothetical actors, both born the same year. Actor A grew up where a sun-kissed look was glorified, often without protection. Result: deeper crow's feet, more forehead lines, and sunspots. Actor B, raised with diligent sun protection, avoided much UV damage.
Their skin appears smoother, with fewer fine lines and a more uniform tone.
Diet matters. Glycation from sugar can stiffen collagen, while omega-3s, fermented foods, and antioxidants support repair. These differences reflect cumulative exposure and habits, not personal worth or beauty. We all have agency to influence how our skin matures over the years. Turning back the clock, modern science to the rescue. Modern dermatology offers safe, effective treatments to soften wrinkles, tighten skin, and even tone. Botox relaxes muscles that cause expression lines, like frown lines and crow's feet, reducing and preventing wrinkles. Radiofrequency and high-intensity focused ultrasound deliver heat to deeper layers, triggering new collagen and gradual lifting. Pigment lasers selectively target melanin, breaking it up so the body clears dark spots for a clearer complexion. Microneedling creates micro-injuries that spark collagen and elastin formation. Biostimulators encourage your skin to rebuild its own collagen framework over time.
Results can look natural: thicker, healthier skin, and refined contours.
These tools expand our options to proactively manage skin health. The 3 pillars of protection, your daily skin shield. While genes and culture matter, daily habits are decisive. Pillar 1, diligent sun protection. Use a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher every day. Apply generously to all exposed skin and reapply every 2 hours.
Reapply when outdoors, sweating or swimming.
Pillar 2, optimal hydration. Well-hydrated skin looks and functions better. Use moisturizer morning and night. Look for humectants, hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and occlusives like ceramides and petrolatum. This keeps skin plump, smooth, and resilient. Gentle cleansing. Harsh scrubs and stripping cleansers damage the barrier, causing dryness, irritation, and inflammation. Use a mild, pH-balanced cleanser and lukewarm, not hot, water. Massage gently, rinse thoroughly, and pat your face dry.
Protecting natural oils and the barrier is crucial to healthy skin.
Aging is universal, but its path is unique. Visible differences between Western and East Asian populations highlight melanin levels, sun habits, and lifestyle. The science is clear: the biggest drivers of visible aging are largely within our control. By embracing daily sun protection, consistent hydration, and gentle cleansing, anyone can slow extrinsic aging and maintain a healthy, vibrant complexion for many years.
Genetics set the stage, but daily habits and culture direct the performance.
Understanding these factors empowers you to protect your skin at any age. Take the science with you. Your future skin will thank you.